In this video, we will show you how to care for your HRM 200 or HRM 600 strap. We will be using an HRM 600 strap, but the instructions are similar for the HRM 200 strap. When washing your heart rate monitor strap, or to charge the HRM 600, you will first need to remove the module from the strap. To protect the longevity of the snaps on the strap, Garmin recommends holding the module and gently twisting the strap. This will unsnap one side of the module. Repeat this process on the other side. Once the module is off, you can plug it into charge and wash your strap. Be sure to rinse your strap after every use. After about 7 uses, you should either hand wash or place the strap in the washing machine. Once washed, hang the strap or lay it flat to dry. When ready to complete your next activity, first make sure that the Garmin logos on both the strap and the module are facing the same way. Then, just snap the module back onto the strap. And that's it. For more help, subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.